Hi friends, it's Liz with Premier Yarns, and in this video I will show you how to crochet this cute little pencil pouch for back to school with our Premier Basix chenille yarn, which is super soft and squishy. Let's get working on it. For my crochet pencil pouch, I'm using Premier Basix chenille in the color Emerald, and I'll start out with a slip knot on my hook and a chain of 23. I also have my 6.5mm crochet hook, but you're going to use whatever size you need to get the correct gauge. Now that I have 23 chains on my hook, I'm going to start out by working a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then a single crochet in each chain across. And that makes a total of 22 single crochets. For row 2, I'm going to chain up 1, turn my work, and work 1 single crochet in each single crochet across for a total of 22 single crochets again. And I will continue to work in rows of single crochet until the front of my piece measures 5 inches in height. So here's the front of my pencil pouch. It measures 5 inches in height, and then I followed the exact same steps to make the back of my pencil pouch, which is exactly the same as this, except it's 7 inches to make the flap. So next, we'll just sew these two pieces together around the corners from here to here on the sides and the bottom of the pencil pouch. Next, we'll take another length of our Basix chenille yarn, put a slip knot on the hook, and I'm just going to attach this to the center of the fold so we can add the button loop. And I'm going to use a slip stitch to attach. And then I'll make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 10. And then we're just going to attach this again right in the same spot to make a nice big loop for our button. And you can use a slip stitch again. And just sew in those ends. We'll attach the button right in the center here so it closes nicely. And there you have a perfect little pencil pouch. Thanks for watching.